Hello everyone, I am Shivani Patil. Welcome back to my channel Study Aim. In our previous video, we have seen factorization by regrouping terms and we have also learnt what is regrouping. In our today's video, we will see factorization using identities. So we know that here some of the identities are given, which is a plus b whole square is equal to a square plus 2ab plus b square. Then a minus b whole square is equal to a square minus 2ab plus b square. Then a plus b, a minus b is equal to a square plus b square. So using these identities, we are going to factorize the expressions given. So let us see how it can be done. So first we will take one of the example, that is x square plus 8x plus 16. First we will observe this expression. When observed, we find that there are 3 terms in it. Therefore, we see that it doesn't fit the identity number 3 as it is having only 2 terms. Then we will see that its first and third terms are perfect squares with a positive sign before them. So it is a form of a square plus 2ab plus b square, where a is going to be x and b is going to be 4. As this is in square, so the square root of 16 is 4, such that a square plus 2ab plus b square is equal to, here x is here it is x, so we will write it as x square plus 2, then a is x and b is 4 plus 4 square, which is equal to x square plus 4 2s are 8, 8x plus 4 square, and the square of 4 is 16, so we will write it down as here 16. Since a square plus 2ab plus b square is equal to a plus b whole square by the identity number 1. So we will write, by comparison we find that x square plus 8x plus 16 is equal to, here a is x and b is 4. So the factorized form is x plus 4 whole square. So we will see another examples in which we factorize using this other identities. Now we will factorize 4y square minus 12y plus 9 using these identities. So here we observe that there are 3 terms in this expression and the middle term is having negative sign before it. So this is of the type identity second we are going to use here. So the expression is of the form a square minus 2ab plus b square, where a is equal to 2y and b is equal to 3. Now 4y square is going to be, as we know a is 2y, so 2y whole square, and 9 is going to be 3 square, and 12y is going to be 2 into 3 into 2y, which is further 4y square minus 12y plus 9 is equal to, so value of a square is 2y square, 2y whole square, minus, then that of minus 2ab is minus 2 into 3 into 2y plus 3 square. So the required factorization is 2y minus 3 whole square. Hope you understand this. Now we will factorize using the identity number 3. Factorize 49p square minus 36. In this we see that there are two terms and both are squares and the second one is negative. The expression is of the form a square minus b square. So identity 3 is applicable here. So therefore 49p square minus 36 is going to be, here it is 7p square minus 6 square, which is equal to, in the form of a minus b, it is going to be 7p minus 6 whole, and in the form of a plus b it will be 7p plus 6. So this is the required factorization. Now we will see how we can use the identity number 4, that is factors of the form. Now we will see factors of the form x plus a whole and x plus b wholes. Now here we know that using identity 4, the identity 4 is x plus a whole and x plus b whole is equal to x square plus a plus b x plus ab. So using this identity we are going to factorize this expression. So let's see how we can do this. If we compare the right hand side of the identity 4's right hand side, if you are comparing this with this expression, we find that they are similar, and we find that AB is equal to 6 and A plus B is equal to 5. From this we must obtain A and B. The factors then will be x plus A and x plus B. So if AB is equal to 6, it means that A and B are factors of 6. If this AB is equal to 6, then A and B, these both are the factors of 6. Let us take A as x. If we take as A is equal to x and B is equal to 1, then we find that AB is equal to 6, but A plus B is equal to 7. So this doesn't satisfy. So we will take A as 2 and B as 3. Let's see if it is. So A into B is equal to 6 and A plus B is equal to 5. So it satisfies the values of A and B. So A is equal to 2 and B is equal to 3. From this we see that A plus B is equal to exactly 5 and A into B is 6. So the factorized form of this given expression is x plus the value of A is 2, then x plus value of B is 3. So this is the factorized form. Hope you understand this. Thank you for watching the video. Don't forget to like, share, comment and subscribe to my YouTube channel.